Hey guys, Rio here with Email Processing System. So what I wanted to talk about in this video is why do you need your own website and how are you going to get your own website? How will you get your hands on your own personal website? So that's what I'm going to go over in this video. First of all, why do you need your own website? Well, the thing is, Email Processing System is a member-to-member direct sales program. So the payments you will be receiving are directly from members. In this program, you don't send your money, your payment, whatever, to a company, to a third party. You're receiving the payments personally to your own PayPal account or whatever you decide to use, but you're receiving the payments directly, and you're making 100% commissions on the payments. So if you make a $25 sale, you keep the $25. If you make a $50 sale, you keep the $50. If you make a $100 sale, you keep the $100. So we're making 100% commissions, which is something that I really like because there's a lot of programs out there that have 50% commission, 60%, and some even less, some a little more. It just depends, but that's just something I really enjoy about EPS. It's 100% commissions, and it's just a one-time payment. There's no monthly fees, so that's kind of something that is good if you can't really afford to be paying a monthly payments, if you can't really afford to create residual income just yet. If you're not there yet, this is a really great option. So that's why you need your own website, so you can receive your own payments. And let me go ahead and show you guys. This is actually my website, what you're looking at right here, which I'm sure you already knew. So this is just kind of information about the program, explaining some payment proof. And this is why this website is important. Whenever people are going to join EPS through you, they are going to pay you through your website. So the 25 level, 50 level, and the $100 level. So they would come into EPS through your website and join you and give you a direct payment, which you will receive 100% of, and then they would be a part of EPS. Now, where do you actually get your website? Well, there's a few different options. You could actually buy your own website for $13 in the training that I would send to you. There's an option there where you could pay for your own website for $13. But if you join through me at the $50 level and the $100 level, I will be creating a website for free for you. I will send you a website through email for free that you can just use that, and you won't have to pay anything for that. So there's always that option. And you could also create your own website on like Wix or Weebly. Those are free. You can just create your own website there. But if you don't want to go through that hassle, if you don't know how to do that, you might want to buy your own or join me at the $50 or $100 level. It's completely up to you. And to learn how to create your own website, you could just go to how to create a website with Wix or with Weebly, and if you want to do that, if you don't mind kind of hassling through that, you can do that as well. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm trying to make kind of shorter videos now because I know sometimes my videos are too long, and they kind of take a little bit too long. So I'm just kind of trying to make my videos a little bit shorter and getting to the point while still providing value. But this is kind of pretty direct. Sometimes it takes time because you need to take time to provide a value. But this video right here is just kind of a directly straight to the point thing, just explaining what it is. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys don't know what email processing system is, you guys can subscribe to my channel. I have plenty of other videos on what the program is and what you will receive if you join through me. You guys have any questions, I will leave my Facebook link down here. As always, if you guys prefer to email me, I'll leave my email as well. I always like hearing from you guys. Even if it has nothing to do with EPS, maybe about online marketing in general, whatever it is, I'm happy to hear from you guys. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one.